This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable tasting plates, specifically these Pulp Tech tasting dishes. You have 4 different styles to choose from. There's the leaf, which features a great little tab on the end that can be used as a handle. There's the teardrop, which is a nice little tasting spoon option. Square, and finally the egg or oval, which features a nice kind of little biased incline that gives it an extra little bit of style. These are made from 100% repurposed sugarcane pulp. They're both compostable and biodegradable, making them a fantastic disposable option and a great alternative to small plastic pieces. They can be used with both hot or cold foods, and they're great for things like apps, small bites, if you're going to do a tasting menu and you want to do a small presentation of individual portions. They're also fantastic for putting things like condiments, small garnishes, or anything of that nature, especially if you have things like maybe some pickled radish or some different little pickles. And they're also great for things like little bites of dessert as well. They're great for any kind of petite portion. So these are a fantastic option for restaurants, caterers, if you're throwing just a party at home, or even if you're doing a large scale event. These are fantastic for any of those little portions, whether they be hot or cold, salty or sweet. They're both freezer and microwave safe, making them really versatile, and they're as easy to clean up as they are to use, since they don't require any washing and can just get tossed at the end of the event.